What's up, guys? It's Ryan with JR Express Detailing. We just got done coating this Citation CJ1. We paint corrected, we did the bright work, we took all the oxidation, dirty paint off, and leveled it out where it has nice, clear, shiny paint like you see right now. And then we coated it with IGL Eclipse, which is the industrial coating that IGL has, and it has proven to be really good on aviation, airplanes in general. They've worked really good on the aircraft that we have coated already with that. But anyways, we're about to have a video show you the final results of this airplane that we just got done coating. If you're interested in our aviation detailing, give us an email at jrexpressdetailing@yahoo.com, or you can shoot me a private message on our social media pages, which you'll find in the description below. But anyways, enjoy the video. I'm Ryan with JR Express Detailing, protecting the world one coating at a time.